Do you want to know how you can log into your Eastern Financiers Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Eastern Financiers Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for Eastern Finance Mutual Fund. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Eastern Financiers Mutual Fund. You can see that you can log into your account using your PAN number or your mobile number. So go ahead and write down your PAN or your mobile number on the top of the box. After you write down your number, go ahead and write down your password. So after writing the password, you can look at your password by clicking on this icon over here. So if you write your password again and you can see this icon, you can click it and view your password. After you write down your PAN number, mobile number and your password, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Eastern Financiers Mutual Fund account. In case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, go ahead and click create your account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your Eastern Financiers Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.